The purpose of this video is to give you inspiration and focus. When we're talking about traffic and finding a good traffic source, specifically, like I said in the title and thumbnail of this, these videos or this concept or these ideas that you see around free traffic sources, specifically free ads, I'm just going to say that I'm a little bit skeptical. Now, when it comes to being inspired and having focus, just like Zig Ziglar said, lack of direction, not lack of time, is the problem. We all have 24 hours in the day. So that's why I'm here to take a few minutes of those 24 hours to take a look at this idea of free ads or a free ads traffic hack. Because just like you, I'm always looking for a good traffic source, and I find information on YouTube, just like you found this video. And I've actually been seeing these types of videos that you see here for free unlimited ads. Earn $1,275.49 with free unlimited ads trick. Earn $11,242.61 with free unlimited ad tricks. Make $3,082 or $3,802.82 per ad. Earn huge money with free unlimited ads, free unlimited ads, free unlimited ads with free ads, $740 a day. So we're going to dive in and address this free ad site, specifically this one, Qwikad.com. We're actually going to post a couple of ads and I'm going to show you the results. Now, at first glance, Qwikad.com may look like a good traffic source. If you were to go to SimilarWeb, look at the global rank, 355,302. But notice the country where it ranks, or it is the most popular, is India. And this is nothing against India. This is just simply the reality and the truth of getting traffic and where you want to get traffic from. Scroll down to the traffic overview. You see the total of visits. You see average view duration, pages per visit. And then you again come down to the traffic to Qwikad.com per country. India being number one, but United States being number two. So with all this information, and the fact that this is being touted on YouTube by some as an excellent traffic source that makes you big bucks, we're going to go over to Qwikad and we're going to post a free ad. Now, how this works is you click that blue button that says post a free ad. It takes you to choose and create an ad in one of these countries, of course, or these regions: United States, Canada, Europe, Oceania, Asia, Middle East, Latin America, and Africa. You can select United States and then you can drill in per state. For example, here in Arkansas, you can click and then you can see these states here in Arkansas. For example, the capital of Arkansas is Little Rock. Now, this probably wouldn't be the best place to use because Arkansas is not really a very big state when it comes to population. So you'd most likely want to come over and do New York and scroll down and pick one of these places in New York City, for example, Manhattan. So that's exactly what I did. Is I selected New York City and I selected Manhattan, and here is where you choose a category you want to place your ad: make money, local life, services, pets, animals, real estate, jobs, automotive, for sale, my web pages, wanted ads. Of course, here we're talking about making money, and here it could be affiliate marketing or internet marketing. Pick either one of these. I actually chose internet marketing, and then here is where you post your free ad. Now, here is where you add a title, an ad description, you put in an email address, and that is all you need. Everything else is optional. And then you choose an image and you upload that image and your ad is on the site and ready to start getting traffic. So here on the channel, we talk about traffic, and that just simply means finding your target audience. For example, YouTube. In this case, we're going to be placing an ad on Qwikad.com, and we're going to be placing a lead magnet or an offer for that target audience to sign up for. They'll opt in, they'll be taken to a thank you page or a sales page, and then we can put them on our email list, and then we can send them email, and then we can send them, for example, if this was a lead magnet, we would send them that lead magnet information. The idea here is this is a lead magnet funnel. This is the type of thing you want to do with traffic. You want to find your target audience. You want to get them to opt into a list. You want to add them to your list, and you want to follow up with them to convert that target audience or your target audience into a solid lead, which then turns into a sale or a commission, specifically in the world of affiliate marketing. So back to Qwikad to set up my ad. Here you can see that I'm setting this one up in Los Angeles because I actually set up two ads, one in Los Angeles and one in New York. They're the exact same ad. You can see here, this is in the make money category under internet marketing. Here's my ad title: 100% free training video reveals 10 things that will explode your business. And then here is my ad. And then here is my link. You can see that I am tracking this link with Bitly to make sure I know if I'm getting traffic and to make sure how well my ad is performing. And of course, I posted my email here And then I added a screenshot right here where you can see the offer. And of course, you can upload up to 10 images for your free ad. The question that this comes down to, in my opinion, is how much time are you spending posting this free ad versus just using a real traffic source? Or let me state that in a different way, a traffic source that we know works based upon the history of the traffic source and the fact that we see people like myself using YouTube or Facebook, either free organic traffic or Facebook ads, also YouTube ads, Google ads, Bing ads, paid traffic or free traffic, but on places where we know our audience exists, where we know our audience is going to find our content, and where our content is going to deliver our message, which is going to resonate with our audience. And then they're going to want to check out our offer versus something like a free ad site like Qwikad.com, where we post this and just hope something happens. Now, this is where I go back to the idea of this video is giving you inspiration and focus. I always want to inspire you to go out and find a good traffic source. Always be on the look for a good traffic source, a traffic source that works for your business. Don't ever think that I'm saying that this will not work for you or this doesn't work for other people. This is my opinion. This is my opinion based on what I'm about to show you, where I actually posted these two ads, one in New York, one in Los Angeles, and I'm actually measuring the traffic that I'm getting so I can show you based upon real results of me testing this ad source or this traffic source. And of course, going back to the things that I saw on YouTube where people were showing results and showing how much money they made from this traffic source. Again, I'm not disputing their results. I'm simply showing you my results so you have the actual truth based upon how I see it, based upon what I see, based upon my test. Because guess what? I want free traffic to work. I want this ad source. I want this free ad to work like gangbusters, because then I can go in here and I can post this ad to every country that they have available, and I'll get free traffic, I'll get free leads, and I'll make free money. But I want to make sure that you understand, and I want to inspire you to go out and find good traffic sources and then focus on the traffic sources that work, and then put your time and your effort or even your money into that traffic source so you actually get some return on the investment of your time and your money. So back to the ads. This is the ad that you saw right here, again, posted on Qwikad. Again, I posted this with a bit.ly link. You can see here at the end, this one says LA, the other one says New York. And if you check out my bit.ly account here, you can see those bit.ly links. You can see here, free WSO, 10 things that will explode your business NY, which is New York. Here is the one from LA. And no, you're not seeing things. Total clicks, 0 on both links. And these were created September 8th, 2021. And if we check Google real quick, today's date, Saturday, September 11th, 2021. So roughly 3 days ago, I posted these links over on qwikad.com as a free ad, which you can see here, location, New York City, Manhattan, New York. My free ad has been posted and is now active. As you can see here, Los Angeles, California, post a free ad. Your ad has been posted and is now active. Of course, this is my ad in Los Angeles. What I want to do now is I want to click on this link. And when I click on that link, it takes me to this free 100% training video that reveals 10 things that will explode your business without having to rely on affiliates or promote shady products. And as you can see, you can click this button to get instant access for free. And now I go back to bit.ly. I refresh the page and you can see the free WSO 10 things that will explode your business in LA has a total of 1 click. I'm the only person that has clicked on this. Again, today's date, Saturday, September 11th. You can see the date I created the bit.ly links for the free WSO, created September 8th at 9:11 p.m. And you can see my free ad over at qwikad.com, which expires on November 7th, 2021. And simply, no one has clicked on this except for me. So to say that I'm skeptical in the least of some of these YouTube videos that you see right here, when they're talking about these free ad sources and the money they're making, I've watched quite a few of them, and I have to question at this point whether or not these results are real or whether or not they're just making these videos to show you. And again, I'm not saying that there's anything wrong with what they're doing. I'm not saying their results aren't real. Of course, just like this video, it's just my opinion. It's just the results that I see. It's just my experience. And that's what I'm sharing with you, my experience. As a person that's built and still building a successful online business, I'm always constantly looking for traffic sources. And if I can find a free one and I can share that with you, I'm more than happy to do that as well. Of course, I share a free training. There's a link in the description. It takes you through the entire process of setting up your own affiliate marketing business. You can get started with that as a side hustle, or you can really dive in and set up a real sustainable long-term business. It's up to you. Link in the description. Check that out. It's free training. And if you want to know more about what traffic is and where to really get it and how it really works, what traffic really means to you as an affiliate marketer or anyone that owns a business, either online or off, to understand traffic and marketing and how you turn that traffic into leads and sales and learn the truth about making money online, check out the video you see on the screen right now. That's me and my buddy Ken Furukawa from Ken Furukawa Marketing over at the Affiliate Files. Click that, watch that video. I'll see you there, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.